Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is the 16th episode of our grave tour of the famous series. This time, we visited Himlayang Pilipino located in Tandang Sora, Quezon City. In 1971, the Aguirre Group acquired this 5-hectare property from St. Peter's Memorial Park, which was further developed and expanded to the present 35 hectares Himlayang Pilipino Memorial Park. In today's grave tour, let us remember, celebrate the lives, and visit the final resting places of two great movie directors that are both awarded the Order of National Artists in Films. Lino Broca was born Catalino Ortiz Broca on April 3, 1939 from Pilar Town in Sorsogon. He grew up and studied high school in San Jose, Nueva Ecija, and was recognized by UP as his alma mater. Broca was awarded the Order of National Artists for Film and Broadcast Arts by then-President Ramos in December 1997. Broca has been credited for 68 films under his direction and 11 as writer during his 21 years career from 1970 to 1991, including award-winning films like 1972 Bog sa Ginto starring Lolita Rodriguez, Hilda Coronel, and J. Ilagan that won 1971 FAMAS Best Director Award. 1974 Tinimbang Ka Ngunit Kulang starring Lolita Rodriguez and Christopher De Leon that won the 1975 FAMAS Best Director Award. 1975 Maynila sa Kuko ng Liwanag starring Bembol Rocco that won 1976 FAMAS Best Director Award. 1979 Inaka ng Anak Ko starring Lolita Rodriguez and Nora Honor that won the 1979 Metro Manila Film Festival Best Director Award. 1979 Jaguar starring Philip Salvador that also won 1980 Best Director Awards for both FAMAS and Gawad Urian, and nominated in 1980 Cannes Film Festival. 1980 Angela Marcado starring Hilda Coronel that won an award from Nan's Three-Continent Film Festival. 1984 Bayan Ko Kapit sa Patalim that won an award from British Film Institute and nominated in 1984 Cannes Film Festival. 1985 Ano ang Kulay ng Mukha ng Diyos starring Catherine Gonzalez and won 1985 Metro Manila Film Festival Best Director Award. 1990 Gumapang Ka sa Lusak starring Christopher De Leon, Dina Bonnevie, and Eddie Garcia that won the 1991 FAMAS Best Director Award.
Lalo na pag nag-iisa ka. Maraming mandurukot. Ano nga palang pangalan mo?
Julio. Madyaga. Inalugog kong buong Maynila. Pero wala si Ligaya.
Dito sa pupunta natin, kailangan matibay ang sikmura mo. Galing ka sa konstruksyon, siguro naman mas matibay ka pa sa amin.
Mas mahirap dito, pare. Masarap dito kung may pera ka. Kung wala, tepo ka.
Alam mo, isa lamang dahilan ng mga nagtatrabaho dito. Kwarta. Kung yan ang hanap mo, matatagpuan mo yan dito. Kaya lang, kailangan ng konting kooperasyon.
Sister, Santa ka ba?
Bata pa ako. Wala na akong ibang pinangarap kundi pagsilbihan ng Diyos.
Stillborn ang bata.
Akin na muna yung bata. Ay, ang anak ko. Naghiman na ka, Dolores.
May panahon ka pa para lumabas sa kumbento. Mas nangingibabaw pa rin ang damdamin ko para sa'yo.
Mahal din kita, Emil. Pero mas mahal kong Diyos.
Galit kaya ang Diyos kapag sabihin ko sa'yo, mas maganda ka ngayong putal lang yung mga pakpak.
Dolores, pinasukan siya ng demonyo.
Lahat tayo, kanya-kanyang harap sa kanyang paghatol.
Si Dolores Aaron Leverisa. Isang mamamatay tao.
A director here in the present situation and condition right now. That's the irony of it, is not just involved in making movies. So while I want to make, or I try to convince producers to make this kind of movies, at the same time, the director also has to fight it out or get involved with movements like Free the Artist.
In the early morning of May 21, 1991, Derek Lino met an untimely death due to car accident along East Avenue in Quezon City on their way home with actor William Lorenzo. The latter survived the crash, but Derek Lino was declared dead on arrival at East Avenue Medical Center. He was only 52. In this side of the park, we can find the grave of another multi-awarded director. Ishmael Bernal was born on September 30, 1938 from Manila. He studied in UP and completed BA English and worked with legendary director Lamberto Abellana. Later, he moved to France and studied French literature and philosophy. Derek Ishmael has been awarded the Order of National Artist for Film and Broadcast Arts by then-President Arroyo in June 2001. Derek Ishmael has been credited for 53 films under his direction and 14 as writer during his 20 years career from 1971 to 1994, including award-winning films like 1971, Pagdating sa Dulo, starring Rita Gomez and Elvira Manahan, that won 1972 FAMAS Screenplay Award. 1977, Dalawang Pugad, Isang Ibon, starring Romeo Vasquez and Vilma Santos, that won the 1978 FAMAS Best Director Award. 1980, City After Dark, starring Charito Solis, that won 1981 Gawad Urian Best Director Award. 1982, Himala, that won the 1982 Metro Manila Film Festival Best Director Award, and 1983, the Chicago International Film Festival. 1983, Broken Marriage, starring Vilma Santos and Christopher De Leon, that won 1984 Gawad Urian Best Director Award. 1986, Hinugot sa Langit, starring Maricel Soriano, that won the 1986 Gawad Urian Best Director Award. 1989, Pahiram ng Isang Umaga, starring Vilma Santos, that won the 1990 Gawad Urian Best Director Award and 1990 Star Award for Movies Best Director of the Year Award.
Ano ba ang pinagsasabi ng mga tao?
Narinig.
May isang linggo pa bago mag-opening day ang pelikula. May panahon ka pang mag-shooting at baguhin ang content.
Bakit ko babaguhin? Wala akong nakitang mali.
Akala ko ba narinig mong pinagsasabi ng mga movie scribe?
Kinuha mo akong direktor. Pues yan ang pelikulang ibinigay ko sa iyo. Kung hindi mo nagustuhan, wala akong magagawa. Pero sinabi ko naman sa iyo, nung bago tayo mag-umpisa, na hindi ko kayang gumawa ng pelikulang pulos iyakan o kaya bomba.
Tayo ng mga tao.
Nakita ko ang birhen! Nakita ko ang birhen! Nagsasalita ang birhen! Ayun ang birhen!
Lagi na lang akong nananaginip. Ako daw ay lula ng isang bangka. Ang aking sagwan daw ay isang karit na sa bawat kaot ay nagpapatingkad ng pulang kulay ng dagat.
Nunal sa tubig.
Very interesting. In 1971, at the point that I made my first movie kind of films. It was also the period of the quickie, when films were being churned out for something like 6 days on showing, so on and so forth. It was also the time that Lino Brocka films were more or less, in the beginning, a reaction against this fantastic kind of filmmaking. Quite a deliberate plan on my part. And I am particularly conscious, as a filmmaker in the Philippines, in this context, I'm particularly conscious of the fact that the minute my reputation is beginning to be too highbrow, I have to do something to, you know, more or less bring my reputation back to earth. I've always been a night person, ever since I was a teenager, like many Filipino teenagers. I've always lived in the streets. I've always spent, you know, my nightlife out in the streets and would go home at just before sunrise in time for breakfast. So I'm very much aware and I'm very much cognizant of what nightlife is like.
Direk Ishmael Bernal died on a Sunday at the age of 57 due to cardiac arrest. In the next episodes, we will continue the second part of our grave tour of Himlayang Pilipino in Quezon City. We will also post video of our recent visits made at St. John Cemetery in San Juan, Libingan ng mga Bayani in Taguig, and Manila North Cemetery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. See you in our next grave tour of the famous episodes.